Okay, so let's start a new project so that we can display and go through the process one after the other. So let's go to File, then New Projects. Okay, so here make sure that you uncheck Create a Welcome Script. You can see some will say create main.py, then create a welcome script. So if you see anything like that, make sure that you do not select it. And some of them used to have it here, main.py. Whenever you notice main.py, just uncheck it. Okay, then because we cannot check it, it will give you issue when you start running your program. Okay, so now let's go ahead and create our program. You notice that I did not select any one of it, so please leave it blank like that. So it's coming up. Let's just wait a bit for it. So in this window, okay, so let's just give it a bit of time. It's going to open for us. Okay, so it has opened. So the next thing we need to do now is to go to our terminal. So let me go to File, to View. Under View, go to Two Windows, then select Terminal. So here we need to install our Django. Our Django. So let me just wait for the terminal to come up. Okay, so it's about coming up now. Let's just wait a bit more. Let's wait a bit more. Still to be ready. Okay, now it's ready. So what we do is to say pip install Django. Okay, then click enter. So this will install our Django, but make sure that you are connected to the internet while installing Django. Because if you are not connected to the internet, there's no way to install it. So let's just wait for it. Okay, so it's going now. Okay, let's just wait for it to install. Then we'll continue with the rest of the training. Still installing. It does take some few time, maybe some few minutes for it to completely install, because you need to install all the packages. You can see what is displayed for us here. So it's using all of this. So I'm going to wait also. It's going to install more. Still installing. We're still waiting for it to finish installation. It's taking a bit of time. I'm sure it's because of internet connection or something. Okay, so it's done now. So the next thing we're going to do is to create our project. We're going to say Django -admin. Okay, then space start project. Then the project name. Let me say my project. click OK. It will soon create the project for us now. Okay, the project is created. So now we need to create the paths for the project. I'm going to say cd, the name of the project, which is my project. Okay, then we click OK. Then now it has created the path. Then now let's start create our own app. I'm going to say Python manage.py start app. And the name of the app, let me say shop, for example. Then click OK. Now the project and the app has been created. So if you come back here now, then expand this, you can see our project. Then you can see the name of the project and the app. So if you expand it, you can see urls.py, wsgi.py, setting.py, asgi.py. That is under the project. Then under the app, you also see all of this. Okay, views.py, test.py, models.py, app.py, admin.py, init.py. So let me just quickly go to setting.py. So I'm going to join the app, add the app here. So here you see installed app. So under the installed app, just come down here. Then in the quotes, you're going to put the name of the app, which is shop. Then just make sure you put the command. Okay, so we are done. So let me go and run it now and see if it runs successfully. I'm going to say Python manage.py, then run server. Okay, so it has run successfully. So I'll just click on this link that will take me to the server, to the web browser. Okay, so it's bringing me now to the web browser to show if it runs successfully. Okay, so let's just wait and see if it runs successfully. Yes, it runs successfully. It said the install worked successfully. Congratulations. So we have run it successfully. That's how to create our own project in Django. Thank you so much. We'll continue in our next training. Thank you.